Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to automate your life, connect your favorite apps, and basically build complex workflows without writing a ton of code, you've probably heard of n8n. n8n is an absolute powerhouse for automation. It's often compared to tools like Zapier or Make, but it's incredibly flexible. Now, n8n has a fantastic official cloud platform. It's the easiest way to get started. And if you have the budget, I highly recommend supporting them. But as your automations grow, cloud costs can sometimes creep up. And hey, we like saving money around here, right? Because n8n is open source, we have an amazing alternative, self-hosting. Today, I'm going to show you how to run n8n on your own Windows computer completely for free using Docker. Now, if the word Docker sounds scary, don't worry. Think of Docker like a digital shipping container. Instead of installing a bunch of messy dependencies directly onto your Windows, we just take this prepackaged container that already has an 8n inside it, drop it onto your computer, and run it. It keeps everything clean, organized, and super easy to manage. Just download it from Docker's site by choosing your system. I'm using Windows, so I will choose AMD 64. I'm going to skip the installation process as it's pretty standard. Just run the installer and make sure it's running in your taskbar. Once Docker is running, we need one crucial step before we install our self-hosted n8n. This is important so that if you restart your computer, you don't lose all your hard work. So open up your file explorer and go to your C drive. I like to keep things organized. So I'll create a new folder here just called Docker. Go inside that new folder and let's create one more. You can name this whatever you like, but I'm going to call mine n8n backup. Now open up your Docker desktop dashboard. It should look something like this. Up in the search bar at the top, just type in n8n. You'll see a few options, but we want the official one right at the top under n8nmcp. Go ahead and click the pull button. This is basically downloading the n8n shipping container to your computer. Give it a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Alright, it's downloaded. Now hover over the image and click the run button. Then click this little drop-down arrow for optional settings. First, let's give it a name so we recognize it later. I'll call mine an 8n test. Next up are ports. Since I actually already have another n8n running on 5678, I need to change this to 5679. You can stick with 5678 if you want, but if you're following along with me exactly, let's use 5679. Okay? Last but not least, we need to connect that backup folder we created earlier. Click right here, navigate back to that n8n backup folder we created and select it. Now, in the container path box right next to it, you need to type exactly this /home/node.n8n. This links your Windows folder to the n8n brain inside the container. Double check your settings. Name is set, port is 5679, and volume is mapped. If it's looking good, click run. You'll see the container start up and it will take some time to run. Give it a minute or two. Open up your favorite web browser and in the address bar type localhost:5679 and boom, there you have it. Just register by entering your email, full name and password, then click next. For this is not important, just fill it with whatever, then click get started. One last important thing, n8n will send you a free key. To get all the premium options, just click send me button, then click on usage and plan right here. You have to copy the key and add it here in the enter activation key. And with this, we are done. If you ran into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll try to help out. If you found this video useful, please smash that like button and consider subscribing for more tutorials on automation, Docker, and self-hosting. Happy building, and I'll see you in the next one.